Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo Camera Drone. And this combo that come with the 3 battery packs and then extra propeller and then a charger. So I got this out of eBay for $525 plus tax. The tax is $45.93, and then there is a CBE waste recycling fee, which is $7.88 that I didn't know of. And then the shipping fee is $8.22. So the total damage is $587.03. It says brand new, but the open package. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by DJI. Let's go ahead and unbox this and then check it out. And this is with the RC controller that has a display on here. And this one it's ultra lightweight with the 249 gram, so you don't need to register with the FCC. So yeah, let me look at the ads again. I thought it came with the 3 batteries. So this is the original listing right here. Let me click on it and see. See, it shows 3 batteries. Go ahead and open this up. It says scan the QR code before first use. Install DIY Fly app. Watch video. Come with this nice carrying case. Smells brand new. Some stickers. Come with a screwdriver. Alright, so it is 3 battery. That's awesome. the LED indicators right there, so it's not fully charged. The output, input, and then the power to check your battery level. I gotta see what's my propeller. Uh-oh. I don't see any propellers. It's a Type C to Type C, USB Type A to Type C. Oh, it's right here. I was about to file a complaint or a report. What? Uh-oh. I need to file a report. Oh no, it's right here. Say what? This guy has a 100% feedback. Where's my propeller? It's supposed to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Uh-oh. What is going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, it's all here. My bad. Sitka gel here. Wow, I thought you gotta pull it out, but it's not. It's a rotating type. Wow. And then the back one, you just pull it outward straight. Then this camera cover. You clip it from the bottom. By the way, this one allows you to do horizontal or vertical filming. So there's this foam you need to remove. And all this sticker. Yeah, I like DJI because I have a DJI Osmo Pocket. It's pretty smooth when they're filming. So you need to insert a trans flash memory card in here, and or you can also charge your drone from here, the USB Type C. There's a power button right there. Anyway, I'm going to charge the drone first, and then I fly it. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the phone too, just in case. I gotta check how many cables. I thought it was at 3. Let me check. And now this is the controller. The seller said there's no flight times at all, 0 flight time, so there's a button C1, C2. This must be for the speed, and then a camera tilting. It's a photo and a record video. So on and off. CNS. There's a USB Type-C here. It says host and then SD card right here. Micro SD. And then right here's your this is the screw-on type for your controller. So you're gonna press 1 and then hold it down. It's kind of dirty here. So you gotta press 1 and then hold it down. So you gotta stroke press and then press down to turn it off. And you need to select the Wi-Fi. Enter the password. So I'm just gonna select Pacific time. And show you the current time. And you need to log in your account or create an account.